What is the procedure for Invisalign and treatment process? The first step is to schedule a consultation with an Invisalign provider in Los Angeles. During the consultation, the dentist or orthodontist will examine your teeth, take x-rays and digital impressions, and discuss your dental goals to determine if Invisalign is the right treatment for you. Second step is creating custom treatment plan. If Invisalign is the right option, the provider will create a customized treatment plan that outlines the duration of the treatment and the expected outcome. The treatment plan is based on the digital impressions taken during the consultation and 3D imaging technology to create a virtual representation of your teeth and bite. Third step is aligner production. Once the treatment plan is approved, the aligners are produced. The aligners are custom-made for each patient and are designed to gradually move the teeth into the desired position. Fourth and final step in the procedure is fitting. When the aligners are ready, the provider will fit the first set of aligners to the patient's teeth. The aligners should be worn for 20 to 22 hours a day and only removed for eating, brushing, and flossing. Let's talk about the treatment process now. The Invisalign treatment process involves wearing a series of aligners, which are typically changed every 2 weeks. Each aligner is slightly different than the previous one, which helps to gradually move the teeth into the desired position. Follow-up appointments are scheduled every few weeks to monitor the patient's progress and to provide them with the next set of aligners. The patient will receive a series of aligners, each designed to shift the teeth gradually. In addition, patients should follow a regular oral hygiene routine, including brushing and flossing regularly to prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Once the treatment is complete, the patient may be required to wear a retainer to maintain the new position of their teeth. The type and duration of retainer wear varies depending on the individual case. Overall, the Invisalign procedure is a relatively straightforward and comfortable process that requires minimal lifestyle changes. Patients can continue to eat their favorite foods and maintain their oral hygiene routine with ease, making it a popular option for those seeking a discreet and convenient way to improve their smile. Invisalign is an effective and customizable treatment for correcting mild to moderate dental issues. By working with a qualified Invisalign provider in Los Angeles and following the prescribed treatment plan and oral hygiene routine, patients can achieve a straighter, healthier, and more beautiful smile.